You're gonna go downstairs. There's not gonna be anyone there. Hello? Morning. What's up, Buttercup? Why are you wearing that mask? A little thing called real estate drones. You gotta preserve your identity now when you're in your backyard. You don't know when you're being photographed these days. Honestly, I don't really have a good reason for the boxing gloves other than they make me feel fierce. You must be related. That's the only possible explanation, right? I mean, must be long lost twins or something, or... I read about this university in the 70s where this guy was walking around campus and he met this other guy that looked exactly like him, and they turned out they were like long lost twins, right? So they ran an article about it in the campus newspaper, and this third guy saw it, also looked exactly like them, and turned out they were triplets. Identical triplets, all of them separated out at birth, all of them attending the same university. So I guess weirder shit has happened. Also The Parent Trap. Well, that's a film. So you're saying we're adopted? I'm not adopted. What, so it's only me? Yeah, your parents are weirdos, way more likely to adopt. My parents are lovable hippies, not weirdos. Thank you. Really? Bet you don't even have any baby photos. Yeah, but it's only because my parents believe photographs steal your soul. Convenient. Well, where are your baby photographs? My parents' house. Well, let's go get them then. What, now? Yeah, now. I can't go now, I've got a friend coming around, I told you. Then after. We can't. Why not? Is this house haunted? Wow, Neo, we'd need bullet time to see how fast you dodged that subject. Is it? Haunted? Yeah. Like emotionally? No, what? Like I'm haunted by its past. No, like physically haunted, like ghosts, like a ghost. I don't know. Last night after you were asleep, I saw a woman in here. She was standing at the table. Then when I asked her who she was, she just disappeared. I'm not kidding, she literally disappeared. Sounds like it might be haunted then. So you've seen that one before? It was at midnight, on the dot. Midnight? No way, I didn't make it past the project. Carrie Bickmore's dulcet tones always carry me to the land of Nod. Carrie. She's here. Okay, get in there, don't come out until I tell you to, just like we discussed, no matter what you hear, right? Okay, that sounds weird. Just go. I mean, it sounds weird. It's like, you're not gonna start, like, freaking. It's me!
I fucking knew it, you son of a fucking bitch! God, what the fuck?
Hey, I'm sorry.
Why didn't you call?
Would you believe me if I said I had amnesia?
No.
Then the phones were down?
The phones were down. For the entire year, the phones were down. Over the whole country of Nepal, the phones were down.
Can I go back to the amnesia?
God, this is so fucked up. I went to your funeral.
Okay. What? I had a funeral? I thought I was only missing.
Yeah, for a year. Missing people become dead people after a year.
When was the funeral?
July.
Did many people come, or...
No. I am not telling you about your shitting funeral. How many people came, how many people cried. You do not deserve that juicy goss. You're such an asshole for doing this, okay? You know what? No one came to your fucking funeral, okay? No one came, no one cried. The funeral director forgot your name. Oh, and your mother was there doing her nails through the whole thing, okay?
All right, yeah, I get that. You're really annoyed, but I had a really good reason. I let everyone think I was dead. I'll let you know that reason as soon as I think of it.
Fantastic, I can't wait.
Right now, something really weird is going on, and I need you to tell me whether I'm checking myself into a mental asylum or calling Ripley's, believe it or not.
What?
Stay here. He was here. He was here.
Are you okay?
Yo, sorry. Just want to put some mud boots on, my feet were a bit chilly.
I can't believe you let us think you were dead.
Okay, I've already apologised about that. Right now, we're talking about this. People thought he was dead. Please, can we address the fact that there are two of me? Sounds like we need to talk about this. Jess, do we or do we not look and sound the same?
Look and sound pretty similar, I guess.
I asked if we look and sound the same.
Yeah, I suppose you do. What is this, some kind of voodoo trick?
Cool. Okay, cool. So I'm not crazy. All I wanted to know. Cool.
So we decided to go on this big round the world trip after finishing uni, right? And we have this huge going away where he tells me, anyway, it doesn't matter. First 2 weeks he was in Nepal, right? And he was there when that big earthquake happened. I don't know if you read about it, but the district where he was staying, or specifically the hostel, was leveled. Like, it's fucked up. Like, people were dying. It was a huge earthquake, and we didn't hear anything from him. No call, nothing. So we're in contact with the police, and they can't find his body, so it's declared that he's missing. And weeks go by, months go by, and it was decided that the reason he wasn't calling is because he was dead.
You let them think you were dead?
Yeah, you did. And ever since I picked up the phone this morning, I've been trying to figure out why. And I think I figured it out. He's a fucking cunt. I'm going. It was nice meeting you, whatever you are. Oh yeah. Thought you might want to say this. You only say your goodbyes once, and I said my goodbyes at your funeral. Never contact me again.
Heavy. Why'd you do it? Why'd you let everyone think you were dead? I don't know. First I thought it was because everyone would be so happy to see me if they thought I was dead. And I just let it go on, and it was easy, I guess. Just easy. For the record, I think Jess's reason is better. What is that? I don't know. It's got your picture on it though. Holy shit. What? Holy shit. What? It's my obituary. Obituary. What's that again? It's something you write about someone when they die. Ooh, what's it say? In remembrance of Harry, lost his life pursuing his dream of seeing the world, gone but not forgotten. He'll always be our Snuffly Wombat. It's what my mum used to call me. Sure, man, no judgment. No judgment. Fuck's sake, it's my obituary. Oh my god, it's what they used to call me when I was little. I didn't say anything. You laughed. That was an acid reflux. I was something acid was coming up. It's acid. You're laughing at it. What kind of... Okay, fine. Continue. I'll always remember comforting you when you wake from your frequent nightmares and would wet the bed. Oh my god, Mum, why? That is so good. Oh my god. It's not even relevant. It's not relevant to anything. It's like your mum was like, people need to know this. Like, there'd be people out there that were like, wait, did he wet the bed from the nightmares? We need to know. Oh my god, I want to die. You did. Hey, you know what we should do? A Ouija board. Hey there, you spectacular little miss. No, Harry, we cannot let Jojo win again. Who is this guy?